In this lecture, we will create a container in the storage account we created in the previous lecture. Creating a container in a storage account in Azure will be equivalent to in AWS when you create an S3 bucket and you create a folder in it. So the container we are creating in this lecture is equivalent to the folder you will create in an S3 bucket in AWS. To start, make sure you are in the storage account that we created in the previous lecture. You can see that I am already in that storage account here. I also want you to use the link in this video's description to download the application code that we will upload in this container. Once you are in the storage account, select Data Storage in the left menu, then select Containers. Here, click Container, and we are going to give it a name. Since the name of this project is Jupyter, we will call the name Jupyter. Once you have entered the name, click Create. And there you go. We have successfully created the container. Now that we have created the container, the next thing we will do is upload our application code for this project in it. To upload our application code, we are going to select the container name, then click Upload. Once you have opened the Upload blob, I want you to open the location where you download the application code in. On my computer, it is downloaded in this directory, so I'm going to open it like this. You should have a zip folder called Jupyter in it. I like using the drag and drop method to upload my file into the container. If you prefer, you can also click Browse for Files to navigate to the directory where you downloaded the code. Any method is fine. To upload the application code in the container, I'm going to click and hold it, then drag and drop it here. Once you drag and drop it, click Upload. And there you go. We have successfully uploaded the application code in the Jupyter container. This is all we need to do in this lecture to upload our code into the container. If you have any questions or there's any part you don't understand, please leave your comments below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.